Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. What causes bloating? And how the stomach can be to blame for being overweight. Sometimes, when you get extra pounds, it is more associated with bloating than with actual fat. And it can be very annoying. 1 minute, your stomach is fine, and then it looks like you just had a huge bowl of carbohydrates. What causes bloating? Usually it comes down to two simple things: overeating and eating fatty foods. Here are a few ways to avoid bloating. 1. Less salt, more potassium. Taking a lot of salt is not good for your health. Unscrew the salty foods and eat foods that are rich in potassium. For example, products such as asparagus, citrus fruits, melons, tomatoes and bananas are not only healthy, but also counter the side effects of salt. 2. Drink enough water. Nutrition experts advise drinking up to 8 glasses of water every day. This helps to wash your system and minimize bloating. 3. Mint tea. This is another drink that fights with inflation. This helps to relieve gas by relaxing the digestive tract. 4. Eat slowly and deliberately. When you eat too fast, it can lead to ingestion of air, and this causes bloating. Well, chew your food and do not rush. 5. Carbonated drinks. Avoid carbonated drinks as they contain gas that can be trapped in your stomach. 6. Do not eat chewing gum. This is another type of snack that makes you swallow air. A piece of hard candy or low-fat popcorn can be a better alternative. 7. Watch out for sodium levels in foods. Read the food labels to provide no more than 500 milligrams of sodium per serving. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.